Welcome to how to receive money from Cash App. In this video, I'm going to show you how to receive money from Cash App. So when you receive money on Cash App, the money will be added to your Cash App balance instantly. Check if you have been paid by going to the Activity tab by tapping on the clock icon, or your payment will be listed. You can send a request to a Cash App user to prompt them to send what you are owed. To request a payment, go to the Cash tab by tapping the money icon at the bottom. Use the number keys to type the amount you want to request and then tap request. Add the contact's name, email or phone number, and next to "for" type in the reason for the request. Tap request in the top right to confirm. If they accept, the amount will be added to your balance and you can check your payments in the Activity tab. If someone paid you and you can't see it in your account, go to the Activity tab. At the top, you should see their payment listed under pending. On the right hand side, there will be an accept icon. Tap here to approve the payment and it will be added to your Cash App balance instantly. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any question, doubt or suggestion, please leave it in the comment section below.